Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this guide, I will show you how to easily increase or decrease the brightness of any video on your iPhone using the built-in Photos app. You don't need any third-party apps and the whole process takes less than a minute. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Photos app. From here, find the video you want to edit. You can scroll through your library or tap Albums, then select videos to find it faster. Once you have selected the video, tap on it to open it. From the bottom of the screen, tap on the Edit button. This will open the video editing tools inside the Photos app. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Adjust button. It looks like a dial. Now swipe left until you find brightness. Drag the slider to the right to increase brightness or drag it to the left to decrease it. As you move the slider, you will see the brightness change in real time on your video. While you are here, you can also adjust other settings like exposure, highlights, shadows, and contrast. These can make your video look even better if it's too dark or too bright. Once you are happy with how the video looks, tap Done in the top right corner. Your video is now saved with the new brightness level. If you ever want to undo your changes, open the video again, tap Edit, then tap Revert. This will restore the original version of the video. And that's how you can easily increase or decrease video brightness on your iPhone using the Photos app. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out iOS Hacker for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.